And also I want to mention is that Mark and I will be doing Easter eggs in some of our videos, meaning we're going to be giving you false information on purpose, and you have to be smart enough to figure out what we said wrong. And if you did, comment below and you get a $50 Amazon gift card instantly. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I also have...
Hey guys, this is Mark Rhodes, also with JoeteckTips. And we have some exciting things to go over with you guys today. We're going to be celebrating our our increase on our channel. We're getting ready to hit about 14,000.
Yeah, this 14,000 subscriber thing is pretty good. So what we want to do is celebrate. So we want to do a contest. And what is that contest, Mark?
Well, we're looking for an intro. We want somebody that's going to be able to design something that's going to, encompass the JoeteckTips logo, but also get creative with it and do some kind of an animation intro. And even maybe, do we want to have them do some audio also, Joe, or are we going to use
music? Yeah, they'll have to find music that's royalty free.
Okay. And what are we talking as far as prizes for the first and second
okay,
and third
first prize. Let's see. What do you think it should be? Let's say drum roll, please. I'll add drum roll here. And first prize will be $200. Ooh. So
we're talking what, 7 seconds?
Yeah, 7 seconds is max. Concurrently, if you look at my current intro is only 5. So it can't be any longer than that. So 7 seconds, you can get a lot done. You can use whatever 3D rendering program you like. Mark was suggesting Blender earlier, right? You were suggesting that's about probably, I mean, I'm not really too familiar with 3D rendering programs and what's out there, so it's up to you guys. We're giving you creative freedom. However, if you didn't take first place, there'll be 3 places. Okay, 3 places for this because I want to give back to my subscribers and viewers. So, Mark, what is second place? What's the prize?
Okay, second place, we're talking $75, and this isn't just for people that are, really savvy with Blender. There's a lot of resources out there for people that have never used Blender if they want to, invest the time in learning how to do some type of 3D animation with it. And then we're also going to offer a third place as well.
Yep, and that's going to be $50. Now, this is all Amazon gift cards. And what's going to happen is that the winner will be used forever. You're giving me the right to use your product, your video in all my videos. So once you hand that over to me, it'll be part of JoeteckTips. Just make sure you're aware of that. Now, this is another thing. I also am looking for an outro. That could be up to 20 seconds long. But that's a bonus. You don't have to do that. I'm only looking for an intro because my outro is pretty much set. However, if you can blow me away, I'll use it. If you're that proficient in Blender or whatever 3D program that you use.
Right. And also don't forget to make sure you're subscribed, because I've noticed with some of my favorite YouTubers in the past, it seems like it's automatically unsubscribing me. And make sure you also have the notify option checked so you'll get notified of any upcoming or any new video releases actually.
So yeah, that's really huge. Hit that notification. And if you're a first-time viewer right now, consider subscribing. We like to give you the best content possible. Mark is very, very proficient in overclocking AMD CPUs. There's a new video coming out that he's going to be doing. He's going to be working on AMD Ryzen Master, and Mark is going to give a tutorial on how to do that and how to overclock your AMD CPU, but in grave detail. So if you're interested in looking for a detailed video on how to do that, I suggest you look for that video. That'll be coming out shortly. He's working on it now. And also I want to mention is that Mark and I will be doing Easter eggs in some of our videos, meaning we're going to be giving you false information on purpose, and you have to be smart enough to figure out what we said wrong. And if you did, comment below and you get a $50 Amazon gift card instantly. So I want to make sure, because this is all about celebration, and I want to make sure that, you know, because if like some people can talk the talk, but they don't know, they can't walk the walk. So
Right.
people who could talk the talk and walk the walk know exactly what we are saying and what we are not saying correctly. Because I've gotten people that's gotten that happened to me actually, and I did it on purpose. And I was waiting. I says, no one said anything on this video yet, and I still have a video out there that hasn't been claimed yet. And I'm not gonna tell you which one it is, but I made a mistake. Actually, it was about a USB connector, and I know I did it on purpose. So I write it down. It says, make sure I make a mistake in this video. And I told people in the past, you must pay attention, because I do Easter eggs, and not just not a picture of an Easter egg. It's
Right.
either incorrect information on purpose. It's not doing it. It's not supposed to giving you false information to make you think that. It's to keep you on your toes. And if you say, oh my God, that's not right. Because I got people who used to do that to me all the time. And I was like, they're catching on. They're catching on.
That's
Because
funny.
yeah, it is. It's funny. But that I found that being the best way for people to get involved is that if they've realized we're saying something incorrect, but it's done deliberate, which
Right.
is, I'm not trying to give you false information, but it's deliberate to make you keep you on your toes for you to get involved. So guys, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you want to become a patron, please become a patron. It's patreon.com/JoeteckTips. $1 a month. That's all it takes. That's the minimum you can do, actually. You can't do anything less. But if you wanted to come and support Joeteck Tips and support Mark and myself, please become a patron. All that money goes right back into the channel, and that's what we do.
Yeah, we're going to fully invest it into bringing you guys new and exciting, you know, reviews of new products.
And that's where the money goes, to purchase stuff. That's the only thing it's used for purchasing hardware. That's how we're able to do this stuff. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, which I hope you do, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.